Finding elk in expansive ranges can be tough, and it's certainly no guarantee of killing one. The bulls we did see were spread out, often traveling alone. It's opening morning, and Dad and I just did about a 6-mile loop this morning, down in along the rim, trying to catch wind and work the bulls that my brother spotted scouting about a week ago. We were in here yesterday. This morning is the first day of hunting. So yesterday we were scouting way back up on a peak behind me, and there was a bunch of ATV pressure in between here and there. So we felt like we were forced to get down in here somehow and try to find some outcroppings to spot from. And it was really tough. We kind of are in a decent spot now, but I think we're above where the elk might be. And when we got down in there, it was really thick, which is obviously why they like it. This next bull is a good example of how elk often disappear as fast as they show up. This creates a unique challenge for the cameraman who doubles as a shooter. Dad and I are back in Arizona and having all kinds of fun. We've been hunting these remote fingers the last couple of days, and last night I had a good bull on camera, but I wasn't able to get a shot on him. I waited him out all day and he never did show back up. But Dad shot a nice 6-point bull last night at last light, and this morning we came in, had a bunch of trouble with the camera freezing, and ended up jump shooting this nice bull. He's broken off, but he's a really solid 6x6 and really heavy, great mass. I couldn't be more excited. After several trips packing out my elk, Dad and I arrived at story time around the campfire. It's the 6th morning of the hunt, and you can see that we're in snow. It's dropped down to about 20 degrees this morning. Beautiful sunset. We just chased up after an elk, but we got cliffed out, so we're turning around trying to figure out something else. But it's a beautiful morning. Getting out with Jason. Elk hunting is chaotic, difficult, but exhilarating.
There's another one. It's 550.
I don't think you killed that one, Jace.
I don't want to shoot third. He went in about a 10:30 position.
Oh yeah, I see him there running. This bull breaks all the rules, standing around waiting for his travel partner to show up. Jace shot at him?
Jace shot at him. Or somebody did down there. I think it was Jason.
There he is again. Here he comes out again. They're coming to the left, straight towards the tee.
There he is.
About
10 maybe.
6 or 7 bulls throughout the day, and then
My headlamp just
these
died.
guys came into a shooting zone for us.
Yeah, it was
But,
it was within the last hour of the last day. So,
Good job, man.
and so, you know, the big one, hey, everybody, Arizona, he's out here. He's a nice big bull. And I think 2 more big ones went that way because the track's by the size of the track. So apply for Arizona if you want to shoot a big one.